B.
Me á.
Yep.
American á.
Just pulling up to the cafe shop here. So this is a nice cafe shop and there's a lot of these cafe shops right outside of the building, like right outside on your ground floor. Easy for you to just come. You can even, pull out your laptop, do some work, and have some nice fresh coffee, fresh fruit juice, have some croissants and stuff like that. And it's all throughout the community. So really, no matter what building tower you're in, there is going to be a nice coffee shop on the ground floor, at least one or two, to be honest. So this particular tower that we're looking at, the first apartment, has 3. So yeah, the complex is full of everything you need, really. So keep in mind that this apartment complex is still developing. It's not fully built out. This entire space is still available for rent for commercial space. They have King Food that's coming here. They're probably going to open this probably in 1 week, because I can see that it's already done on the inside. So basically they just need to do their preps and start filling up the shelves. So it's looking like they're almost done. They're hiring right now. That's what it says in Vietnamese. This is a coffee shop, just FYI. It's a coffee shop, but it's a gaming center on the top floors. So if you're coming out with your teenagers, they're gonna love this spot, because the computers have every single game you can imagine that you can play. And it's like, I don't know, maybe 20 cents an hour or something crazy like that. So kids come here and they play like all day. And of course they have like fast food, snacks as well. It's like the ultimate gaming spot. So really nice, really chill. All right, we got it's my Pimp My Ride limousine. This is wow.
Did you get that?
Yo, yep, got it. I had it, for example, I had a house, big villa, rooftop swimming pool, wood deck. Mm-hmm. The owner didn't even know that wood treatment, wood oil even existed. Like the block from the sun and UV. Yeah. So yeah, this things, we got it, it's part of the job. Okay, all right, this is not right. I thought it was bigger, but actually it's a decent size. So recap for me, bao nhiêu tiền, một thang?
50 triệu.
Okay, so it's 50, and bông foam, ba foam.
Căn này căn kinh doanh được.
Oh, you have to, okay. So this one is the 50 million one.
Sorry.
50 million and built to be a 3-bedroom.
Okay. When would it be completed?
Well, this is the raw state. Anything you want to do, you basically set a repair list. You ask the owner what are they willing to do, and that's what you do for every single home. So we basically point out. I do an inspection as well. Just check everything, what's missing, what needs to be added, and then we have to find out what is the owner willing to do for you, right? Some owners are renting, for like shops and stuff, and in those cases they expect you to do everything, right? But residential houses are different. They'll be okay with like fixing anything else that needs to be fixed, maybe even putting in some furniture and some equipment and stuff like that. But it's all case by case.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's basically when you find a house that you like, then you have to make a list.
Okay.
And then that's part of the negotiation. Yeah, this looks more commercial-ish. Mm-hmm. This is wild. Little display case and stuff.
Yeah, definitely set.
Yeah. Bathroom. You have toilet here. Dope. Okay. Get the whole view there. Dope. Staircase. Whoa, look how many floors. Okay.
I'm tired of America. I'm moving to Vietnam. I booked my pad on SaigonCribs.com.
Moving to Saigon? Don't rent blind. Watch our luxury video tours and book your perfect home today at SaigonCribs.com.
1, 2, 3, 4 floors. Interesting. Another balcony there. They divided this space. This has a moving wall. That's interesting. You got the air cons here. The places for the air cons to go. Big balcony here. Another half bath there. Funk studio. Yeah, it might be a rooftop, I'm pretty sure. So, these, it's like temporary walls. You can either get those nicely finished or
Oh my God.
what's up?
Where's the fan we were talking about?
Yeah, it's too hot. Oh, this is the attic? Got the lighting. Oh, okay. But there's a little outdoor spot. Ooh. So yeah, not much of an outdoor space here. Not much of a space. But this is where they have the storage, water storage, and the air cons. So, okay. All right. Nice, a chicken shop. Ooh, wow. Right. Full long park there. Have you been inside this park?
Yes.
You did? Yeah.
Or we haven't stopped past the park.
Yeah, no, I mean, we should go inside.
We
can check it.
the park though.
Yeah, we can go check inside if you want to.
Em giới thiệu rồi, nó 50.
Okay. Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, we can do it at night. That's true. It's open till like 10 or something.
Mà đâu có nội thất đâu.
It's a carnival, and they have a man-made beach
Yeah.
over there. Yeah, it's worth checking out.
Đợi vài phút.
Okay.
Anh chào anh.
He'll wait for us. Okay, cool. Okay. Oh, okay, this is the owner here. All right, so another townhouse here. Looks like that someone was already used. Yes, okay, yeah. Oh, thank God, got the aircon on. Bless your heart. So, okay, this is a little bit smaller townhouse. There's a back alley here. This is where you would put like your laundry, washer and dryer. Got the electric hooks up. Could potentially make another seating area out here. Half bath. I'll walk up, guys. Ooh, this is a small half bath too, but it's, it's functional. Just a little bathroom to have. Another entry here. So this is kind of divided. So like if you had a restaurant here, glass doors dividing all of that. And then you can use like for the residents upstairs could use that as a private entrance. So that's a cool setup there. He must have went all the way to the top. Yeah, let's go to the top with everybody. Oh, he had the aircon on in all rooms. God bless his heart. So these are just massive rooms on every single floor. Floor to ceiling windows here. Really nice. I'm gonna go meet everybody at the top. Yeah, nice elevator here. Oh, you need the key? No. Oh, key's here. Found it. So it's like a 4-person elevator here. Glass surrounding. Not many houses you see that have their own private elevator. Look, there's some more rooms here. Oh. Oh. Oh, you fancy, huh? All right. Oh, this is a nice big table here. Nice flat screen TV. So this is nicely furnished. Okay, this is the one from the pictures. I remember this one. Induction stove, baking oven, and microwave. Induction microwave there. Oven hood pull out. And I see downstairs, like the rooms are kind of divided. Oh, wow. That's dope. And this is shower and vanity. Toilet divided there. And there's also a little Juliet balcony here. Oh, to go up and down. That's dope. Oh, this is cool. Decent sized balcony. Right across from the Vinschool. So for parents, your kids can walk to school. That's the community here. Let's head up to the... Oh, okay, now this is a proper rooftop. A decent size that you can do something with. But you can't see over. Yeah, exactly. But you could install a covering, a tarp. In daytime, it'll be shaded, get the fans with the mist and all that, and you'd be cool. I just had deja vu like twice.
Really?
Yeah, that's like,
That's a great thing.
I know, right? I was like, okay, I'm meant to be here. Yeah.
You would have had from your camera. It might be.
These are sliding door cloths, and it keeps the air inside.
Yeah, it really is. Actually,
Washing machine, high capacity refrigerator. Nice stuff here. Really nice stuff. Really large aircon, keeps this room really nice. Depth. This is really dope. Oh, there's even windows here on the outside areas. Yeah, these are proper bedrooms. So nice. Same style bathroom. Vanity toilet, shower with the rainfall shower head. Oh, this is the front room. Dope, and you have the sliding doors here as well. They go up and down. This is dope. So these open, by the way. You can open these from the bottom, I believe. So you can, get the sunlight in. And there's a balcony. Really thick curtains, so really black out here. Got the cove lighting. This is dope. Really dope. Aircon is in there, like I said, hidden away, tucked away for a seamless look. Really nice, spacious, very deep closets. Always like that. You can get all your suit jackets and stuff in there. Hotel quality bed mattress. Ooh, nice. Oh my God. Very comfortable box spring. Amazing comfort there. Upper storage there as well. Recessed lighting. I wonder if these change colors. Oh, you got the wall sconces there. No, they're just one color, but you can do that to have the soft yellow. It's a really nice soft yellow vibe there. Secondary bedroom on the back side. Really nice. Nice work desk over there as well. Window here and just window. So a balcony there. Also have the 2 wall sconces there. Really nice solid doors as well. Oh, I forgot about the price of this one. Anh này bao nhiêu tiền?
Dạ 55 triệu ạ.
55? Okay. So this is 5 million more than the last one, 55 million. But it's fully furnished. Okay, so exactly the same room. So 4-bedroom home. Decent. Nice. Cool. Same exact room style. Custom art on the wall. So this one's kind of more ready to move in. So this is the back side of the alley, the back side of the home, little backyard. And back to the ground floor. Are you moving to Ho Chi Minh City? Contact us at Saigon Cribs. Hit us up on WhatsApp, or you can check out our website at saigoncribs.com. We'll prepare a custom search service based on your own needs and wishes, and we'll make your dream come true. Contact us again, Saigon Cribs.